Ekishayi kirikuza kuzanirwamu emipiira y'amahanga ga Africa ya AFCON 2027 kikatandika kwombeka omu kyaro kya Rwampara omu rurembo rwa Hoima omu kwezi kwa Nyirurwe omwaka gw'2024 kandi nikiteekateeka kuba omu kwezi kwa Muzimbezi omwaka ogu. Prezidenti Museveni hamwe na mama Museveni batongoize emirimo y'okukorwa ha kishayi eki kandi basiimire kampuni ya Suma eyebembire emirimo egi.
In Hoima City.
We only did Nambore some years ago, and the sports have come up mainly because of the general programs of the country. By bringing peace, many sportsmen have had time to come up. By expanding the educational facilities, the schools have produced many sports people. But in terms of infrastructure, we have not done so much, except Nambore, which is what we worked on deliberately.
I believe that once this facility is completed, it will add so much value to the development of sports in our country and more to this region in Bunyoro. Your Excellency, on behalf of the government of Uganda, allow me to extend appreciation to the late Dr. James Rujumba, who donated 10 acres of land, as well as the Federation of Uganda Football Association, FUFA, for the additional 10 acres given for the establishment of this stadium complex.
Omurimo gw'okwombeka ekishayi kikuri aha bicweka 38 aharigana.
As the President and our dear Minister,
this company, Suma, seems to be a serious company. They have done a good work in a very short time. I want to congratulate them. We have given them the money. The money is available, so that's not a problem at all. So therefore, I want to thank everybody. To catch up, we talked about the hotel beds and the hospital. So people who collapse and drink too much alcohol. Then you also talked about the access roads.
Enganzi hangaro binana banja aina mazikongo ekishayi kyaba kyahwire nkija kwongera amaani by'oburambuzi omu kicweka eki.
Beyond football, this stadium will stimulate economic activities in Hoima and the entire Bunyoro sub-region. It will attract investors. I know it will create jobs. It has already started. Like they have told you, a number of our people are working here and boost tourism.
From very beginning, we approached this project with the highest level of professionalism, innovation, and dedication. Our goal is not just to build stadium, to create world-class sport facility.
Ekishayi kiri omu rurembo rwa Hoima hihi n'ekishayi ky'enyonyi kya Kabariga kandi kyaba kyahwire nikija kuba nikishitamisa abantu emitwaro 2. Amakuru aga gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.